Salman Khan is an influential Indian actor, producer, and television presenter, who is one of the most successful stars in Bollywood. His full name is Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan, and he was born on the 27th of December 1965 in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Salman's career includes over 100 films, including Hum Aapki Hai Kaun, Dabangg, and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and he hosts the reality show, Big Boss. Personal life and family. Born the 27th of December 1965. Father, Salim Khan. Siblings, Sohail Khan, Arbaz Khan, brother, and Alvira Khan Agnihotri, sister. Nicknames, Salu, Bhaijaan, Dabangg Khan, Robin Hood Khan. Career acting. Salman Khan made his debut in 1988 with the film Main Pyar Kiya, and has since acted in over 100 films. Producer. He also produces films and has won 2 National Film Awards as a producer. Television. He hosts the popular reality show, Big Boss. Famous films, Hum Aapki Hai Kaun, 1994, Hum Dil De Chuk Sanam, 1999, Hum Saath Saath Hai, 1999, Dabangg, 2010, and Bajrangi Bhaijaan, 2015. Additional information. Salman Khan is one of the biggest stars in Bollywood, and one of the highest grossing actors in world cinema. He is also involved with a charity called Being Human, the Salman Khan Foundation, which was founded in 2007. Thank you.